Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Usman Bashir, and I'm making this video to give you guys a review regarding my recent injuries. Uh, Last year, I hurt my back while playing cricket. I'm living in Australia, and then I went to many physio and chiropractors, but I couldn't really get any relief, and I spent a lot of money. And then, luckily, I went to Pakistan last a few months back, and we found Hafiz Hassan Saab on Google Maps. We went there, and after getting the first session, I got some relief. And then I think I attended him a few times because I had another surgery, so I couldn't attend him many times. But I had really a good experience with him in just a couple of sessions, and I got a lot of relief. And then I came back to Australia because I had a short visit, and then I started online sessions with Dr. Hassan, and I think in 2.5 months, I just followed whatever he said, whatever the exercises he showed to me, and he recommended me to do that. And I did those exercises, and Alhamdulillah, now I'm completely fit. I don't have any pain anywhere. All my back is fixed. I'm back into the cricket. I'm doing the gym, doing my workouts, everything. And even now, if I'm having any trouble, I'm just giving him a buzz and booking online session to consult with him, and he's always there to help. And a huge thanks to him working with me in my hard times. So if you have any injuries, any muscle pain, any muscle strain, I would highly recommend you to visit Dr. Hassan Saab. If you're not closer, just book an online session. Honestly, the knowledge he has, I've never seen it in many physios, even not in Australia. So Jazakumullah khair.